Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pappu Career Guide, a complete guide for all your career needs. So friend, in this video I will discuss some important updates which is coming from the Cognizant team. So let's begin this video. Okay. So before starting this video, if you haven't joined my Telegram group, do join my Telegram group because over there lots of people are there who are sharing their experience and their updates regarding offer letter, joining letter, onboarding mail and pen details as well. Okay. So let's just start with the first update which is coming from the Cognizant team that internship completion mailer with the date of joining for FTE joining. So as you know that after getting your offer letter, you should complete your CSD program. CSD program is also called as a skill development test, or you can say internship, which is also I think 3 to 6 months. There is a internship program is there. You have to complete the internship program. After successful completion of your internship program, you are supposed to receive your full-time date of joining. This is a FTE, means full-time employee joining letter. Okay, congratulations on completing our internship at Cognizant between 372 and 999. This is mentioning over there. If we see that you have performed well in your internship and we'd like to appreciate the patient and professional you have exhibited during this period. This is to inform you that you will be onboarded during September 22 into Cognizant as a full-time employee, and you would receive the necessary information of your on your pre-joining formalities completion enable timely onboarding. Looking forward to welcoming you to the Cognizant. Okay, so this is the mail you are going to receive if you completed your CSD program, you can say, or you can say internship. After successful completing your internship, you are supposed to receive this kind of mail. And if you didn't clear your internship in the given time, then they will give you a second chance as well. But after the second chance, if you're not able to clear again, they will provide you a third chance. And after clearing, and if you didn't completed your training or internship in the third attempt, then you are supposed to rejected by the company for always. Okay, and this is a update I'm getting lots of comments from your side, sir. I'm getting a profile screen for an open position at a Cognizant mail, but after sending my details over there, I'm not getting any update. Yes friend, there is a no particular update which is coming from this particular mail, because this mail is received by the many of the candidates after receiving their interview mail. Like rejected candidates are receiving, who all are replied the programmer analyst training, they are receiving this kind of mail. But after this mail and after you have submitted your details of the photo and your declaration form, there is no particular update still. Today is, I think today is a 20 September. Today is 20 September, but still there is no particular update after this particular mail. So let's see third update. This type of things you will get in your mobile app. Just log into your mobile app and just open your Samsung browser, you can say, or like any of the browser, and just click over there to three dot, you can click and use your desktop mode. And after clicking these things, you just click is this hamburger sign. And after clicking this thing, these things, you are getting a view all your milestone. There you are able to find your status of your joining, like offer acceptance, background verification, pre-joining form, onboarding pass, and post joining form. This will be getting you after the post completing your onboarding process, you can say. Okay, and okay, after that, this is a mail which like a CSD program. This kind of mail you are going to receive once you receive your offer letter from the Cognizant team. Welcome to continuous skill development CSD program. We are delighted to invite you for the skill development program. This program is exclusively designed to you, and it is the first key milestone focused on enabling your transformation from graduate to IT professional. This would provide you the necessary resources to help you enable quickly in your skill readiness journey. You will be provided with a platform and required access to you help assimilate knowledge and information that you could need to clear the assessment. Wishing you the good luck and looking for an active engagement throughout the program. Requesting you to stay tuned for the further updates and detail on this program and the overall approach. Okay, so this all the updates is coming from the Cognizant team. Okay, a Cognizant exam result, out interview mail, onboarding in September, yes, joining offer status update. So for this onboarding and joining update, you can choose, you can see on the milestone of our mobile app. Okay, and yes, this is the no particular update after this kind of things. Okay, I think that's it for the video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section, and please don't forget to join our Telegram group. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.